Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw Metamask. So first, enter your Ethereum address on Binance. Click on Wallet and select Fiat and Spot. Open your Spot wallet and find Ethereum from the list of cryptocurrencies. Click Deposit at the bottom right next to the cryptocurrency that you select. Click on Deposit Crypto and select ETH under the coin menu. Now, step 2. Transfer the Ethereum from Metamask. You need to go back to your Metamask account and open your wallet. Click on Ethereum mainnet to view your balance and a list of options to choose from. Now, sell the crypto on Binance. And then, step 5. Withdraw money to your bank. Once you have sold Ethereum for fiat money and the amount is available on your Binance account, you can easily withdraw to your bank account. Step 6. View status. Using bank card, payment option is the most efficient since it only takes a few minutes to make the withdrawal. And that's it. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.